Unpacking, lay into, dive into its meaning. Hello everyone. Today, we'll be diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across. It's the phrase, lay into. Stick around to learn what it means and how to use it in sentences. Historically, lay has a few meanings, one of which is to place or put down something. However, when we use lay into, the meaning shifts quite a bit. When someone says they lay into another person, it doesn't mean they are placing anything down. Instead, it's a figurative way of saying that they are strongly criticizing or scolding someone. It can also mean to attack someone physically, but most of the time it's used in a verbal sense. For example, after he missed the deadline, his boss really laid into him about the importance of time management. She laid into her brother after he borrowed her car without asking. Though the exact origin is unclear, the phrase, lay into, has been used in this figurative manner since the late 1800s. It's fascinating how language evolves, and phrases take on new meanings based on cultural and societal contexts. Remember, lay into is typically used in informal contexts. It might sound strange in very formal situations. Here are a few more examples to help you grasp its usage. He laid into the team for not playing with enough passion. Don't lay into her. She's already feeling guilty about it. I didn't expect her to lay into me just for being a few minutes late. And there you have it. Now you know what it means when someone says they lay into another person. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using it like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!